Welcome to the first round of our epic multi-part video series pitting the Roomba 980 against the Neato BotVac Connected D7, arguably the two best robot vacuums on the market today. This first round is just about debris pickup tests on hard floor and carpet, but be sure to subscribe because we're going to be releasing videos of all kinds of tests with these two vacuums over the next few weeks. Links in the description to the Roomba 980 and Neato D7 Amazon listings, so let's get started. So we tested various sizes of debris and pet hair on carpet and hard floor in both low and high power settings. You can see the individual pickup test videos on the screen at the end of this video. The results were interesting. They both were able to pick up all the sizes and types of debris we tested. This is actually better than 90% of the expensive upright vacuums we test, and that most of those eventually fail to pick up the large or extra large debris, especially on hard floor. But these two premium bots had no issues with the size of any of the debris we tested. This was true even in their echo or low power modes. Both the Roomba and the Neato eventually picked up all the debris in their path, but that doesn't mean they were totally equal. First, keep in mind that the default cleaning modes of both of these vacuums have them pass over the same area at least twice, but more often 3 times. On the hard floor tests, we noticed that the Roomba 980, while eventually cleaning all the debris, did not pick up nearly as much on its first pass as the Neato D7 did. The Roomba also tended to kick around larger debris more than the D7 on hard floor. We also found that the Roomba 980 was slightly less effective on hard floor in its low power setting than the Neato, which did just as well on hard floor in low power. On carpet, they were much more equal, as they both picked up a majority of the debris on the first pass and eventually all of the debris by the end of their run. On echo mode, they both seemed to pick up a little less on their first pass, but it was minimally different. In short, both of these vacuums did very well on carpet, performing as good as you would want a robot vacuum of this caliber to clean, even in low power mode. So although this first round was extremely close, I think we'll give the point to the Neato D7 for its slightly better performance on hard floors. The next round will be suction or airflow tests, so be sure to subscribe to see the results in a few days. Links to the D7 and 980 Amazon listings below, and please consider a like if you enjoyed this video. I'll put the next round to the left when it's ready, and you can watch the individual pickup tests on the right. Thanks for watching.